The HVAC air temperature sensor is located under the cowl cover piece at the base of the windshield on the right side, red arrow. Begin by pulling up and removing the rubber seal that runs along the divider between the engine bay and the HVAC system, red arrow. You do not need to remove the entire plastic cover, red arrow, just the right side. There's a very good chance this will get damaged while working with it. These get very old and brittle over the years. If you have not removed it lately, there's a good chance you will damage it, so use care. The sensor is mounted on the right side of the blower housing, red arrow, in front of the screen and above the vacuum flap actuator. Remove the sensor from the mounting clip and push it back and out. Release the wire clips and pull the sensor out from the connection. Then you can attempt to clean the sensor area, yellow arrow, with some MAF cleaner. Do not touch the sensor with your hands or anything else. Simply spray the MAF cleaner on it and let it dry, or replace the sensor. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.